Moving on to the next item on our agenda, we are now going to fill activity monitoring chart. Is that okay with you?
Sure.
Yeah. Just have a look at this activity calendar. It has days of the week from Monday to Sunday. Yeah, and it has time of the day, morning, afternoon, evening and night. There's a place for you to write down your activities, what you do throughout the day, and there's a place to write down how you're feeling.
I see.
Okay, this chart is helpful tool in this treatment, and that's why I would like to work together with you to fill this out.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so what we are going to do now is that we are not going to fill the whole chart together because we won't have enough time to fill it. We will only focus on one morning. So we will write down your activities, what you have done, and I will also ask you to rate your mood, like how you are feeling while doing this activity. Yeah?
That makes sense.
Okay. So the main objective of this exercise is to see what are the times and the activities that make you feel better and what are the times and activities that make you feel low.
Okay.
So after filling this chart, it will help us to plan the activities, and we will plan activities in such a way that make you feel better.
Okay.
Yeah. So shall we start now?
Yeah. Sure.
I would like to ask you how you started your day today. Like when did you get up?
I got up morning at my usual time at 7. After shortly I went to have a bath to get ready for the day. Later on I went to the kitchen to prepare tea and breakfast for my family and myself, as you know my wife is not well.
Yeah, you had told me last time your wife is not well. Can you tell me when did you go to make breakfast and when did you sit to have breakfast?
Probably half an hour from 7:30 to 8 in the morning, and half an hour for the preparation, and 8 o'clock we sat down to eat.
Okay. These are great details. Can you please continue what happened after that?
Uh, Sooner at breakfast my son left for work and I did some gardening half an hour, and till it was time over to come for this appointment.
Okay, that's nice. So what I have done now, I have filled what you have done throughout the day in the morning. Okay. And now I would like you to rate your mood according to this activity. I will show you how to rate your mood. We have this mood ladder. It has numbers from 1 to 10. 1 indicates low mood and 10 indicates the best mood. So as you go up from 1 to 10, your mood improves.
I see.
Yeah. So now according to the activity, I would like you to rate your mood over here. So can I ask you to rate your mood, like when you got up, how were you feeling that time?
Uh, it was more or less same in the morning when I got up and went to the kitchen to prepare tea and breakfast for myself. But still my mood was low, but I pushed myself further.
Okay. That's very nice. So what was your mood?
So I would rate it at 4.
Okay. You said you did gardening, right? After that?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what was your mood at that time while doing gardening?
Typically I enjoy the gardening, but since my mood is already low, so it found difficult me for to focus and enjoy the activity. But end of the time my mood was slightly better, so I would have rated at 5.
Okay, that's good. And what happened after that?
And it was already time to come for this session.
Mm-hmm. So how would you rate your mood that time?
I would have rated it as 7.
Okay. So if we have got these details, it's really nice. Like you have shared it in detail, and can you just see and have a look at this? I have written down your activities over here and your mood over here.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me what you have learned after writing and after feeling this chart?
I think gardening and coming here were helpful.
Mm-hmm.
My mood started improving while doing these activities. If I had just stayed at home, my mood would have definitely gone down.
Okay.
It's hard to get out from the house, but it does seems to help.
Yeah, that's great. These are very good observations. So, we have seen like we have learned a lesson from this. There are two important observations. One is getting out of the house is helpful, and second is planning some enjoyable activity when you feel low is helpful.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah. So, what we are going to do now is that I would like you to feel this chart at home. Hmm? Will you have any problem feeling it at home?
Uh, Sometimes I forget things, but keeping this activity chart on the dining table, I can see it often and it might help me to remember easily.
Okay, that's a wonderful idea. So what we'll do is that when we meet next, we will review this chart together.
Okay, I will do that.